Guys, welcome back to Techno KaJi 4K channel. Today I am going to tell you how to solve TikTok account warning problem. I also had a TikTok warning problem a few months ago and I was very stressed. After doing a lot of research about it, I also adapted this method. Now my TikTok warning problem is solved. I hope this video will be very effective for you guys. Now let's start the process. First of all, you have to take this screenshot of your TikTok profile. Now open your Google and search TikTok share your feedback. Then click share your feedback. Then fill up the form. Here's the email address. Now fill up your TikTok username. Then select the topic option. You have to select report a bug features request and select here report a bug. Here is the how can we help questions. Now you have to write an apology letter saying that you made a mistake and request for remove the warning tag from your TikTok. Here I was writing, my TikTok account got a warning tag. I apologized for that. I did not know the community violence and rules of TikTok. Now in the future such mistake will not be made. Please kindly remove the warning tag from my TikTok. Then upload the previous screenshot picture. This is my TikTok profile screenshot. Tick the declarations and click the submit button. Now your report is submitted. I will not click the submit button because my problem was already solved. TikTok investigates whether everything is fine and how many times you have violated the TikTok rules and only removes the warning tag. The duration of the warning tag is 3 months. Within this period, you should not upload any videos that violates the TikTok rules. It is very useful for you guys. Thank you so much. For more update, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.